Good morning, divine souls. Today, let us talk about repeated patterns. Any area, if you take relationship, money, career, and health, any area, if you take, there is a repeated pattern which is happening. It's like a cycle. Like we keep on experiencing same kind of disease. Sometimes we at the health area, if we keep on experiencing a same kind of toxic people coming into our life and disturbing us, again when we come out of them, again we find another person doing the same thing. We keep on trusting somebody and investing in them and investing money and losing them. Somebody's cheating repeatedly, one person is cheating, again we, even though you have cheated, again there is another person build a trust and again they cheat. So these are called repeated patterns. We start experiencing repeated patterns in our life. This is a pattern cycle. We need to break this cycle. Then only this pattern will stop. It won't trigger again. So to stop that, we need to learn a lesson. So until and unless we learn some lessons, then only any pattern will be not repeating in our life. So before this pattern is triggered, there are some emotion and situations are happening in our life. Let us talk about those emotions and situations. One is the thing is feeling stressed. You're feeling stressed. When you're feeling stressed, let us talk about patterns of money only. So money pattern triggering, before money pattern is triggering, there is a lot of emotions with a situation is happening. So that as one is feeling stress. When you feel stressed, you are overspending. You're overspending without your knowledge, and after coming home you'll be getting into the pain. You overspend it, again you're creating stress, again you, without your knowledge, you're spending. Why you're spending? Because there is a stress inside. So you need, for this, the lesson is you need to calm down. You do meditations, you do breathing technique. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Practice this for 9 times a day. Slowly the stress will reduce. And you know uh, for 7 days, just take note down this technique. Like for next 7 days, whenever you are overspending, for next 7 days, don't you know don't spend much money. Just count on whatever you are spending. Just try to reduce spending that 7 days, because you're feeling that there is a stress, you're overspending. Just be an observer to yourself. Observe what is happening. Why am I spending? Okay. The next is fear. Out of fear, we avoid opportunities. So fear is something that avoid opportunities. Why your fear? Your fear to go to an interview. Once you face the interview, you don't get scared, right? Fear is something. Why are we getting fear? Learning about fear is very very big subject, I would say. Later videos I will explain on the fear. Fear itself is a huge block on money, career, relationships, so many things. There are a lot of lessons to learn in that area that I will cover in the next video. Out of fear, when you are avoiding opportunities, your life will be more expensive. So first sit, take a paper, note down what are the opportunities that I have avoided out of fear. Okay, write down those opportunities. And what is that fear? This fear is telling I need to learn something. I'm not up to the mark to that this opportunity that is coming my way. Maybe I'm not feeling deserved. I'm not feeling worthy to take that opportunity. There are a lot of things, but observe that what is that which is stopping you. Learn that, work on it, improve on that for yourself, so that next time when the same opportunity is coming your way, you will not get fear. Okay. And the third one is guilt. Guilt is something when you give away. You give away more money to other people because you're guilty. You're feeling guilty inside. That is why you're giving away money, more money. You only have to give 10% of your money. Then only you know you will never get into pain. More than 10% you're giving, observe, you are going to get into the pain and you are in guilt. Okay, when next time when you're doing charity, observe yourself. Be in an observer mode to break the cycle. You observe yourself. When you observe yourself, then only you will break the patterns that are triggering in your life. Okay, the last one is overconfidence. When you're feeling overconfidence, you take risky decisions. To avoid risky decisions, sometimes you feel, yeah, this is very good decision, but somewhere inside your heart there is a message coming. Your inner child is telling, this is you're stepping into some risk. It is giving you it is protecting you first itself. You're getting the message. Your inner child is giving you a message already. So observe, being in observer mode, and observe these three feelings, these emotions are creating a situation before your pattern is triggering. So when you observe this, you will break your patterns. Slowly you will break your patterns. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.